watch a video.
Hey, I need a job. Hey, I'm poor. What does that say? Help wanted? Mario Spaghetti needs a god? I wonder what that means. I think I should apply for that job. That's kind of creepy. It's a Yoshi. 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 I think this is where they said I had to sit. Well, I have to quick call him and say I'm going to apply for the job. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, hello? 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 What's that? Hello? Hi? If you are here right now, you are bad at picking careers because you kind of picked a bad one, and if you die or something, it's not in our policy, so just don't say it's bad or anything. And what? Who's saying this? This is a recorded message, so I can't hear you if you're saying anything. So, goodbye, loser, and you are dumb at picking things. What was that? I don't know. That was kind of dumb. I'm gonna check the halls. Bzz, bzz, bzz. There's nothing there. This is kind of weird. What have I signed up for? All I have to do is sit here for $100 for a week. This is gonna be easy peasy, lemon squeezy money. Bzz, 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 bzz. What's that Yoshi thing? And what do I do? Where did it go? I think I should quick explore and try to find him. Hey, where is this place? What's that? Ooh, is that the Mario person? Hello? Oh, hello. What? Hello. 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 Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. What's that thing? Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. What have I signed up for? What are they trying to do to me? That phone guy is insane. I need to go up here. Hope they can't find me. Who are these creepy people? There's so many of them. What have I signed up for? Let's get back on my seat. Are these things trying to kill me or what? There's 3 of them that way, 2 of them that way. I think that's all of them though. Is that good or bad? I think it's bad. I think they're getting closer. Yeah, he definitely got closer. Maybe I should see what they're doing. Hey, what are you doing? Are you just an animatronic? Hello, welcome to Mario Spaghetti. Hello, welcome to Mario Spaghetti. Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. Welcome to Mario Spaghetti. What have I done? Hello.
Yoshi, 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 Yoshi. Yoshi, Yoshi, Yoshi.
It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario.
What's everything happening?
It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario.